The Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century, was a period of marvelous human inventions and advances in technology. Along with everything else that came from that period, the Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on food production, processing, and distribution. Because of technological advances, people did not have to move as much to survive. They started burning less energy and started eating more than ever before. Food was no longer an issue of survival. As a result, things like obesity and diabetes started to rise. However, the following centuries saw an increased importance of physical activity, which became a way of preventing disease and staying in shape. Fast forward to the 20th century, in the 1960s and 70s, health club chains started to pop up. And in 1965, we saw the birth of Gold's Gym and the rise of the concept of big box gyms. It opened fitness to the masses. The 1980s followed this trend with an increase in its popularity, as the 80s were a decade where mainstream fitness fully arrived. Today, fitness culture is a widespread phenomenon enchanting millions of people worldwide who are trying to achieve their dream goals. A huge part of this culture is its apparel. A time where a sweat-stained old t-shirt was the way to go is long gone. Fitness lovers have become much more aware of the apparel they wear, which has become more stylish, comfortable, and durable. In 2023, the global apparel industry is estimated to be worth over $200 billion, with a forecast of going up to $271 billion by 2030. Huge chunks of this pie are being taken by big players such as Nike, Adidas, Puma, and others, but that does not mean that someone new and fresh cannot take a bite out of that pie. In the realm of fitness apparel, few names have garnered as much attention and admiration as Ben Francis, founder and mastermind behind Gymshark, a British fitness apparel and accessories company that today stands as one of the most renowned and beloved gym clothing brands in the world. Throughout Gymshark's rise, Ben Francis has demonstrated exceptional leadership skills, innovative thinking, and a deep understanding of the evolving needs and desires of fitness enthusiasts. This video will delve into the makings of a billionaire entrepreneur and will highlight the key factors contributing to the phenomenal success of Gymshark. Benjamin David Francis was born on June 4, 1992, in the small town of Bromsgrove, England. Ben Francis exhibited an entrepreneurial spirit from an early age. As a kid, he was obsessed with football, but he quickly realized that he would never be good enough to make a decent living from football. By his own admission, he was never great at school, but what had a profound impact on him was attending an IT class when he was 17. From that point on, all he did was make websites. His first website sold car number plates, and after he got his first iPhone, he started building mobile apps. Around the same time, young Ben joined the local gym, and after initial fear, he developed a love for fitness that has not left him to this day. Fitness also gave him the lecture that would forever change his life. It taught him structure, consistency, and hard work, which he not only applied in the gym and in school, but also gave him a foundation in which his future billion-dollar company was going to be built. As time went on, his passion for fitness and app development merged into one, which led him to create his first two fitness-based iPhone apps, Fat Loss Abs Guide and iPhysique, which both rose to the top charts in the United Kingdom. The story of Gymshark began in 2012, shortly after his first endeavors. At the time, Ben was a delivery driver for Pizza Hut and attending Aston University. At first, Gymshark started as a drop-shipping website for bodybuilding supplements, but in 2013, Ben and his business partner Lewis Morgan started designing and manufacturing their own fitness apparel. Initially, they manufactured the garments in Ben's parents' garage on a made-to-sell basis using a sewing machine and a screen printer, which they purchased with what little savings they had. During its first year, Gymshark made $500 in sales per day. A crucial moment in the brand's rise occurred in 2013 at the Body Power Fitness Trade Show in Birmingham, where they sold out of all their stock on the first day. After the show, Gymshark's Luxe tracksuit went viral on Facebook, generating $30,000 in sales within 30 minutes. Not long after, the company reached $250,000 in revenue. Francis and Morgan left their universities to focus on Gymshark's future, whose rise was incredible. In 2016, Gymshark was named the UK's fastest growing company in the Sunday Times Fast Track 100. In 2018, Gymshark moved from its office in Redditch to a new 42,000 square foot headquarters in Blythe Valley Business Park. In the same year, Gymshark made sales of around $100 million. Its expansion continued when they opened a new 8,000 square foot office in Hong Kong in 2019, and in the same year they launched their gym and innovation hub, Gymshark Lifting Club. In August of 2020, General Atlantic, a US-based private equity firm, purchased a 21% stake in the company, which valued Gymshark in excess of $1 billion. Today, the company is estimated to be worth around $1.45 billion, making the 31-year-old fitness entrepreneur join the Billionaire Club, as his net worth stands at around $1.3 billion. One of the key factors behind Gymshark's exponential growth lies in its effective utilization of social media and influencer marketing. Recognizing the power of digital platforms, Ben Francis strategically collaborated with fitness influencers and leveraged their large followings to promote Gymshark's products. In November of 2021, Gymshark appointed Gary Vaynerchuk, entrepreneur and social media sensation, as an advisor to the company, which only shows you the company's dedication to utilize the ever-increasing power of social media. Another crucial aspect of Gymshark's triumph can be attributed to its customer-centric approach. Ben Francis and his team demonstrated an unwavering commitment to understanding the needs and preferences of their target audience. Through continuous engagement with customers, whether through social media interactions or feedback surveys, Gymshark managed to cultivate a loyal community and establish a brand identity that resonated with fitness enthusiasts worldwide. Gymshark's continuous innovation and commitment to product development has been instrumental in setting the brand apart from its competitors. Ben Francis recognized the importance of staying ahead of the curve and delivering cutting-edge products that meet the ever-evolving demands of the fitness industry. By combining functional design, high-performance fabrics, and a keen eye for fashion trends, Gymshark consistently delivers products that strike a perfect balance between style and functionality. Ben Francis' journey from a teenager working in his parents' garage to the founder and driving force behind Gymshark showcases the power of vision, determination, and unwavering dedication. By leveraging social media, prioritizing customer satisfaction, fostering innovation, and expanding globally, Ben Francis revolutionized the fitness apparel industry. Gymshark's success story serves as a testament to the transformative power of entrepreneurship and the potential for an individual's vision to shape an entire industry.